Hi, we all love our Chrome extensions. Unfortunately, they can get a little unwieldy at times. Today I'm going to show you another extension that lets you tame all of those extensions. So Google Chrome allows you to add extensions which extends the capabilities of the browser. Unfortunately, Google doesn't make it easy to turn off extensions if you're trying to figure out why something's not working right. So today I'm going to show you the extension Extensity that will allow you to easily turn on and off extensions. Okay, I'm going to start up Google Chrome here. And you can see I've got a bunch of extensions installed. And this works okay, but sometimes you'll be on a website that extension just is causing some issues and you want to be able to easily turn it off. That's where Extensity comes in. Now I'm going to add it to Chrome. And it lets me know how to manage your apps, extensions, and themes. And there she is. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, as soon as I hit this little X here to get rid of this pop-up, the icon disappears. You have to click the puzzle piece, find Extensity, and then pin it so we always have it. Now, I like moving it, and I just click and drag to move it to the front, so I have easy access to it. What does this replace? Before, if you wanted to turn on and off extensions, you had to go to More Tools, Extensions, and then scroll through and turn them off and on. And that's okay, but we want to be able to do it faster. Extensity allows you to do that right from here. So if I know I'm not going to need Bitmoji, I can turn it off. I create link, my Mercury Reader, and you notice the extensions just disappear. That's how you can turn them off, and then I can go back in and I can turn them right back on if I realize that that's not the issue, it's something else. With Extensity, it's really easy to take control of all of your extensions, including turning them all off. It also gives you one-click access to the extensions page. And that was with the little puzzle piece right there. You can set up profiles where it will have selected extensions enabled for that profile, but other ones will be off, so you can easily switch on or off groups of extensions. I use extensions a lot, and I have never had this need, but maybe there are other people out there that do have that need. And that's with the person here. And that, when they talk about profiles, don't confuse that with the Google Chrome profiles. This is just Extensity profiles. And finally, there is some settings that you can switch. The default always works for me. I never go into the options to change those. So that's how Extensity works for Google Chrome. Hope you find it of use. If you did, like this video, and also be sure to check out my website over at educate.me. Stay classy.